Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set safety warnings for risk zones in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the sounds and warnings button. And once you enabled the safety warnings section, you can click on that. And then click on the risk zones button. And here you can set the safety warning function, so just click on the one that you want to use with this and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.